Ebusia kwadwo adom na afi na yedi ni mu na ba ye kwa akodeda no na ya kwa akopɛ ne krabia awusia kragu akalaketo a obi eku ni free wandwe ne maame 9 months onye mu no wandwe ni ane papa po be fele
Right.
Ebusia me mama kwaba edeba too much GH so ene ewie enwumrei se me ka se na ewie enwumrei ana che se ye kɔ no nan mu ntina ye se ye fie ewie mu akɔ enwumrei mu ntina me ka ne sa na ne eye kwadwo adom ya ye ka se electricity eku ne da bush bi mu ekire ye ko hu se ye benifo na ensa ehya ase no na ye pene krabia na ye de na fi police hospital de na ba fie nti ye ne mantemfo twetwe nkomo ebisa omo nso senia omo atenka na se omo dwen efa de ekoso omo mantemu ene ne omo pese aban so ejina so de ye de odebeye wo niema ye sisisisi kunkum ne fraud sem ne niema sisisisi ne so na mensa ka ye maame ba ko wa ha sei ya ye betutu na no enti ka me hoe na ye ne nkasa momi what's your first name?
Joyce Ofe.
Joyce Ofe. Okay. Mr. Ode any akola Adom.
Oh, na mi papa ye nyina ya danfo.
Ni papa ye madam. Okay.
O ye mo ba ma de be yiska wo no.
Oh, okay.
Ni se na kwada no so tie. Hu ye ni kan papa. Kwada no hu ye ni kan. Ni ba ha be ye 2 days time asa kwada no di free mu. Na o frɛ ni papa daddy. Yesi mi na mi wo picture ni mu no madam fo se enye me. Ni papa se ye wo ame free. O se se ma ho daddy se ye mea. Akwada no hu ye ni kan. Kwada no ye ni kan. Nti ye ti sa asem no obi abutu ye. obia butu ye.
Yes, a unexpected sin and a esia more expected say ebesi. Na more man tell has say no man suspect in crofwe a Benin for say the omo ye wo if you mutim and I say near momo ye
obia ni what mean said you must say no mudi wa ha. Na de no see ya ye na ye ba ye no chese near mo ye wo dan no anu ye nyan. Na yenim se nipa se eni yeti na school su bom wa ha ya ho so na kwada no ko school nti se sadi we enye nyame ne ma sadi we apia anka mi yo sure se omo be go school nipo omo be kunkun kwada no se omo de tofia na bibi dada kwada na obi abehwire ni ba na nyame nti ayeti se kwada we die no amobia die ho se omo nyina adwane na nsaka ba.
All right, and see, your friends say apart from Adum issue, yeah, is there any incidents similar? Say, yeah, wo area mohanu, I would name like what say, and I would name
Adum we and now. Boy back so no dear omani I to say oyo kadeni and omudisika wo na ye ha no sanya monu mi ha ye krom ha no ti se ewu ye hu ye yesi ye twisika na de sanya manu mi ha na ni ha nti we mo ye ku de mudisika scissors no wo no amuku no ansa eba kwada we nso so nti ama ye nya ye bohu se ye kitama nkitinkiti na de wokro ni mo ti ama ye bohu pa
nti na ye be kan say Benin for na de sa eniema we nyina na nsesa ye nyina aba area mu ana se de omwa
no mudisa de na aba ha se omumba ha no sadi we ni ha sadi we kwamba ko mu hada sadi we mba hada nti omwa aha kwa ye din se wunu abekupo betwisika na dua pa wudi bebo ebi si wo ko mu hada ti se da bi ye dido ye ho pa na wo kan nipa ba ko so a wa kan bia yes nti yenku wa wunu anya kasakase no ano no ti se obe fa scissors akon obi apra no awonu ni sanyama no ebi gbensi nti be ye 2 weeks nu sanyama we apie wo ha no ama mi ankasa mi jan die ma bon pa masu pa
nyami ensure bebre mommy me ba che fa fe
Me de
Angela Anan. Oh, okay. Incident yes, me bisa o. Se se anu wo sympathize with Adom papa ne nebusua. Enti amfa ne se wo na sa ade itu ana se de oba. Eden pa na nka obeka tra ban se aban nya.
Ka mesra ban so omfa ne nensio na sa Benin for ma backroom ha no. Ombo modin a ondi djuma fan because ya ha ye wo no amenwa ka nyina yenkwala adoso ha eti se uba people school po no ma ya na oyem hihye eti e papa ne chew omma police fo enkwa rounds wo sa niama no obi be ha udan kwa na uni baby ofia ma ohun baby a ofi ni sumo adwuma oye ansa na wa manedan enye baby na ese uje obi etna ho na nipa no wakita adwenbone na afedi akwa bibi ho enti e papa ncho na e pafiewrafo ne chew obi be ha udan ya mani hu na ase na adwuma oye ansa wa manedan no enti ye papa ncho pa
ujiri se eno ne sa na ebeboa because ye ba no efiewra ansem ya ye rent control aban emom order wo ye renting ho say 2 years advance ne ne keka ho ne doso enti ko mo nte so maje highest 6 months enso efiewra bia anye ampene ubisa efiewra bia o se me top blocks na aban nyina ho me to cement onim kwan ya me fa so to masase enti ujiri se we aban de ne nansi wo e kan we crap if you run a penny sika bi age no obeti ase ya na ebeboa
on ti ase kwe so ti ase 1 month 6 months on famom because ni ekọ ye bre wa pa ye we kura sabi ha nye kura nso ye kura eti so bi du ba fa fichire kura no ko hye nrem wa ye ne bone nti ye pa ne chopa on red control for mon nan enye ntia wa fie rafo so na instruction say wo fie no mon di so Emma ye me fi say eba ne say ebeboa mai ebeboa ye
Mommy to say Bibi aboko de
Nyame
ye frozen
me di precious agbeno
Your friend
Precious Agbenu.
Hey, Precious. Oh yeah, Precious ampa. Anyway, okay, yes incident ni see no na okobo ebi mu amane papa no ni nua na dan for power ben no amane so omombra be hwede esi. E den na wo hu ye.
Me so me frifie na eba. Ti me hu nkrofo bi no bi wa ha no mo say light achi obi nti me bi sa mo say ah the light achi kwa no mo so. Boy no ye transfer wa ha no ne ba be mo na light achi. Ti me kra me si o nti eba asa no o ma anye bibi afam so mo ko hu ya mo hwe nsuonyu egu ni sam so light chi obi de enye nsuonyu na ese udi gwa akola no se ese odi kan ema ni milk ansa na akola no ma rush na ko hospital
Milk me be ni den.
like on say light chi obi a mamoja no efixi ntu san de so egu ni so a mamoja ni dakra ba wo ni milk a etimi nani moja no ma
na say milk nani moja
etumema like sani pano ko wo mu kura stay betimi time omudi ni bedu hospital ndi na ebia nyame ado ba asem na chire mi ko tie mu no mi ko kwanu mi ko boy no na danfo na ye mi kunu pa nti mi ko ni wona mi ko ka che ni so se ni etu adanfo no si na mi so mi kra si mi be ya na amati asem no wa ha ti mi bo na amane no so frɛ no so akola no efrim to mu ba ye no na mi de mi cheche mi tro mu no mu so ade anu kra no light no power ni na mi si se power ni ma ndie enkrofo no eda se o ma twa akola ni moja ana se o mu twiye ye no o ma won eduro bi ama wa ya mre na o mu di na koda ho no ma twa light na edi ahye ni santi se yenye wade na nka ye nkrofo ni chi oni hwe ntomu ko bu dan no na eche se di amikan no yampa
I see. Who your bad time? Who oba? And so oba na yedi we no a den na nka oba time oba a wanyem 9 months. Onim ni aya wa fem ansa na wo den na nka obetimi obeye.
Ekami die ya mo kemi na asem wetum because Instagram mi akra every me bitu mi samanfa ni easy. Manfa ni se be sin de kra kese kra mi nya.
Okay, so ya kese.
Enti ani die sa die ya nka me pa na asem wetum ya. Abandon nyomfa hunye bibi ma ye because area ha shi sensi da na yanti se bibi obi abere mu ha din semboni se adwane sade ndi enti eba asa no emobia yam hihye sa obi antumi njane ba ho wo fie
yeah papa darling boy oden ni bra Frank adom papa
ni bra prekupe adanfo bisi onya enti dey amitis se nipa bonifuo bi ayesa nyama kwasia nyama tse akwara no okodi agro fie bi eben omo na fie na eben omo no nkwara no godi agro eti that day no nkwara no godi agro no afterwards no na nkwara ni bra no bra Frank no ni ba no every moon no so omo wadden no mu no omo na ezi omo di so ebu so edi tama yenya edoni ba ye wada no wa yenya media wa yenya media eti ampa yensu yanfa yantra sikura yetiti yehu esi bonti mi tichu ni baba
ko hihye no
ya go hihye
yes pasa otibia
ako ato me ni fe na gen ni gbonyo shinwote wana ame semi wana mogome na mogome na mole na ga mogome police mene gbini wodu machine mene on di 18 alo 19 ni wodu machine mene 19 ni wodu machine mene ake wobile eba police wekele ehawo afe promote ke no fe no ni sanafe afe ene mi ke mu fe mo ni ema ehia akekeji mo ba ibo tun sanole mo keje Nigeria jo eje Benin jo eje Cote d'Ivoire jo eje Togo jo even eje ka discuss mi no da gwen do ye tuenyo self contained come ke apartment 2 ni gaven high ita o Nigeria yo ita o Cote d'Ivoire yo ita o Togo yo ya ituemi so mi kenye me ven ni yo bien ake kaji o ke chuba mo ko wo kwa bomo ni o ke tun ba haile wo ga discuss ene be ma we darling boy.
Thank you. Sorry. Oh, yes.
Why?
Na chese eye kwadwo adom ne teacher ba bebobo register edin esukufo di senia anobia ye school a teacher ni ebobo register no ti e bebobo din na se kwadwo anje so a na chese ye twa ne din efi school ni din mu ana se school registration ni mu registered book ni mu me paso me kasan
Bobo kwa masini kwa sidi echari.
Kaya Kevin Adom Amponsa ni papa aya Frank Amponsa ni mami aya Victoria Amuzu. Omu di akore Brian awo 30th April 2018. Onu na eto so wo suku numa yeji no onu eto so 314. Na in fact yedo akore ye papa yemfa ndi agrokra. Onimade papa onimade e wo ni classroom. Samedi ni krata anase ni book e kire osise ya uba usuti. Owo school numu a oni obi aye free. Obi adon obi apenasem. Senye owo na titi entamu a nka mu amunim numpo muhu na mu bepenasem pa. Nanso owo atiti yentam. Me ba baye amamri. Sa amamri yes edi boa se ye twa ni dimu nti mabubo bodin omo aha no maji so amami afonyo Emmanuel amwa Samuel Boachi Pelin Nana Jesse Kapa Aponsan Kevin absent Aponsan Kevin Adom Kevin Aponsan Adom Kevin absent enti mejina manu sam ani yesi so ink koko ene di twa obi a onka ye hu bio dim nti me ye so na media aka wo aban mu ina no so no so na ye di betwum na sese ya twum se no obi a ni ho obatum di nanim anase ni bibi e di ababa hranhran obi a wo ba bia nti Adom yedo pa nanso Nyankopon ado chen yankasa dikan mi di man kon to home ya na mi school no bai nti mi di bin kon to home kan se so bi bewu a enka mi mo mi dikan nti mi ti Adom owuo no eyemi ya bebre eyemi ya Nanso be ne sen abawie ti uni nyame nko nyame mfa nko sie amen.
Edi na edi friend e adum and sometimes a friend e Juju na your department of LCBC children ministry no okankola no in fact your pictures become a phone so this party in can be na onyo bi a oya basabasa na ni adimum oba Sunday school a o ka asema o se nkore ba mo active on participate but ono de on kasa but sorry a o timo say de o hia nyina no onim sometimes cry madam back to me say adum kasa cause him say wan ati kasa and he doesn't want talking in public on shut kasa be blow public but on na fe for wa adam oh a smart boy. He's very calm. Or the but or very gentle to onye basabasa. Onye basabasa. And yes, you na LCBC children ministry and name. Ka say. Nyankopon no de na ma nyina ya wofo. Na me na de na ma yen. Nyankopon kasa na waje. Empire bon nim say Nyankopon sa ampene so anka nya de emba na sa. I will pray that may God himself receive him in his bosom. Yen nyina ebe kode. I want to walk on them, but only kind of Nakupon, or ye did for him, say, oh, Nakupon, a bosom. So we'll meet one day definitely. Nakupon and Kanako John. No, on the class of my that might be say, yes, to pin and you and your moi. Saying ye did for the Benyaneno. Then you never bombarco. I shall Nakupon, dear Yonya. Said the Wakana.
Hello, Abusia. Medamu na se. Sebe. We are seeing baku bia be kon nklechi. Benya akula wu ase. We are seeing no club baku pe. E bi se light. E bi se wo na ekunu. Nyankofo pe. Ele nimu di pa. Ukuma akula wu. Se light you, se ne mami wo, se ne papa, se busia wo. Nyankofo pe. Me tuwe sebe nyankopon beto masasi ukrum wa 1990 me si member ukrum wa me dia woro ho mu na me nua dia aka ho na kola wo sunsumo kula no na me de nsa pon na class se nyankopon na fla kola wo ya ona din so otamfo bro sam na fla kola wo ya me so hey, Sakura way. Yansan way. Fair bonnet chewa. Nipadas in the bonia. I couldn't put that in. I couldn't be a senior penna. The Biaman Papa Coos, you was a codu. Shows you a year. Said about Bentum. Jehon. Kromu ha wo yes ka be an papa mfama wo be sia kra ne papa de ma e sie na ni pada se ne pa ye be fila kra wo mpa se ni pada se ni eno asa de we ha le saman ma wonje na djuma se ne tie akọ media na minimum how it is nyankopon kasa na Ghana na kan kula na Ghana kan kula ta kra we Kakromu hano, ibu difference. Akro shoes my say I'm very part of Sendio Kroma. Masman Pesameka.
Relax. This is the time I saw so right. Uni ni tia band. Nyama we hu na kwan say na omule onfa enam so nie kwan bia ma o. O ti ase ya pa. Mi ame hu da pra mi say ya. Yen na yen so ye innocent. Ti ka wa kuma tu. Yes sir. Wa kuma tu. Why? Why do you remember? Yen na ye ka say you are really yes sir. So what I say ya na ni ma. Emu se ni awu ye no. Good evening once again.
Good evening.
What's your name and who are you two?
Sandiba. And the deceased father is my backbone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my direct.
Your direct brother, younger brother.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We
who went to the you took in charge of the hospital issues at the police hospital.
We did everything.
Okay, so how what did they say about his post-mortem or what exactly did they?
We deposited the body last Sunday, right?
Okay.
And then since it was electrocuted, it seems to have in connection with the police. So the police have to send a form called the coroner's form. That is on the form they're going to write the cause of death. Now, legally, the cause of death, they don't need to disclose it to us. since the case is with the police. So on the form, that is what they're going to write the cause of death
So
for
did
the
you see
police.
what is
Yes,
written on
we
the
saw what was written on the form, but
and it's electrocuted.
I can't really confirm it unless the CID.
The CID.
The CID in charge of it. Yeah, we saw what was written, but the CID legally have to read it to us. You need to read and then interpret it actually what is written on it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that is what he said.
Okay.
But what we find out was after the postmortem, the pathologist gave us part of the body, gave us the kidney to take it to the toxicology department for toxic check.
For toxic check.
Because he suspects something like that, but he needs to be sure. So we need to go and do toxic check.
So the child is going without his kidney.
Yeah, without his kidney. So the kidney is currently with us that we're going to take to the toxicology department for that search again. And then afterwards, I think about 2 courses or 3 courses was I saw something like that. After the toxic, examination, I think we wrote 1 or 2 times that they saw earlier decomposition, that is part of the body was broken. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know whether he was forced somewhere or something like that. Yes. So we need to do the kidney test before we can come out with exact thing that caused the death.
So aside the decomposition, what was the third?
Aside the decomposition, the third thing we saw was something like electrocution. Right? Yes. So it was about 3 things. We saw the toxic, we saw the electrocuting, and then we saw the decomposition. Yeah, decomposition. Yeah.
I see. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. By your name, I can't really.
My name is Sandiba.
Sandiba. Okay. Sandiba.
Yeah.
Hey, and now they are booming. Our condolence to the whole family. Yeah, we just hope you people to be strong and then try to stand by your brother and console him just as you've done. And we appreciate the way you people are together in the family, helping each other. Yeah, because I learned with all this situation, he was all home, and then people were doing all the rounds.
He's our, younger brother, so we can't allow him to take part of this thing.
Yeah.
We should take it on our shoulders. When it happens earlier on, the earlier decision was to get the body and quickly bury it.
Yeah.
But as a person who knows the law and know what the law can do, I can't allow it. So I have to take it to the police to redirect the body from the morgue to the police morgue for the autopsies and other things.
So do you think the CID and the police are really doing their job well as they are supposed to do on this case?
The CID and the police are really doing their job well because where the case got to, all right, the case first of all hits the media.
Sure.
And so where it got to, you can't twist it. The media took charge of it, and you can't twist the case, right? You can't twist it. So the police and then the CID and the doctors, I don't think there is any, manipulation nowhere. They are doing exactly what needed to be done.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. And so our last question is what you have to tell the government concerning this whole killing things and then or court and then the Sakawa issues, spiritual things that is going on right now in our country. What do you think the government should, or what do you suggest the government should do to support or to stop
this thing has been rampant these days.
Yeah.
The recent issue that happened at Kaswa following the 1 or 2 things has really raised an alarm that the government and then the security agency should sit up. Especially, this advice goes to our parents at home, that we should be vigilant about our kids. When they go out, we should follow up and then see actually what is going on. Because issues like these is too sad.
Yeah, sure.
It's too sad.
Really sad.
So my appeal to the government is to strengthen security. We shouldn't wait until things like this happens before we strengthen our securities and other things. So to the government is to give us more protection. We need that. And then to be vigilant about these people, because what just happened is alleged a foreigner did it.
Yes.
All right? A foreigner did it. And then my advice also to the media commission, they should regulate what goes on TV. They should regulate it. Today you see, you see this, you see that, you see that. That is really, bringing a lot of people up. That they don't pass through no struggle and hustle. And if you don't pass through hustle also, you can't attain what you want to. And people want to be rich overnight, which actually I don't think is the best. All right? I don't think it's the best because everything confirms that this boy didn't die naturally.
Sure.
No, he didn't. He didn't. The autopsy shows one or two things also shows. Right? Because when we broke into their room, we saw a whole lot of things. Their shrine, a lot of things, people tiling bottles, blood around. I broke into their house first.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because I went there to see who caused it and I found nobody in the house. So I suspected something. So I broke into the house to see whether maybe they're hiding in there. And then I came by this shrine and blood thing around, people and pictures in bottles. And you know what? One amazing thing that kills me is this Onga Maggi spices packed. About 10 packs of Onga Maggi. All right. That I don't know actually what they use, but it is assumed that they use for this. Then when they use it, right? And then to spice food for their husbands, say whatever they say, you follow. Yes.
I see. I thought it was for chobas.
No. Chobas, they do all these things. So the guys also should be aware. We should stay guard. Because a lot of people want to manipulate us, and it's very bad.
Don't you think you people are also the cause of all this?
No, we are not the cause. We are the cause. We are never the cause. The girls today also, we need to talk to them. If it is yours, God will bring it to you. Right? That is one of the things that we should also know. You can't manipulate somebody's son forever. You can't manipulate it forever.
Okay.
So this is our advice to our government. And then our wives out there and our parents also, we should be vigilant about our kids. This is what, supposing we did not see their action, kids will be, getting lost, vanishing and here and there from the area that we may not know the cause. But thank God that we now know the cause, and it's like we've eliminated them from the area.
Okay.
Yeah, things like this are not going to be happening again. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Thank you so much. Yo, ebusia entina chese adom disease no ne uncle Penny ne papa nua Penny a no na ne papa edi nechi na ye ne kasa wie sesia no na yenim se moate ensem na bi ehu ne ekọ ya me adom ye de adom akọ Penny krabia ye se ye gya ne kwan ye ne ebusu nyina abomu egya ne kwan na mestre se obekoso na wahwe too much GH na follow yen na subscribe na ye de live programs and I said yes wo kro bia no you make sure say be follow up na ye the more details dito no e de abro media ene akosua Pokuase answer aka Queen Fidi apa I follow you on Instagram, Facebook, and at Twitter. I hope you me pa. Makramo aha na mde mu besi. That's the message here.